doing? Well, here we go. We start another easy trail. Our current location. We are determined to, just because we're full-time RVers, we aren't just going to sit in our rig and do nothing. We are going to try to keep a healthy lifestyle up. Got a nice cool breeze today. Oh, it feels so good. It's in the probably high 70s. Okay, I think we're going the right way. We are in a nice place, nice and cool back in here. The air was real heavy this morning, and the smoke from the campground was just being held down. It was really, really smoky this morning. And right over there is where we started. This would be a nice place to camp out and fish right here. I don't know how deep this is. Well, we found another trail. It's a rather warm day, but it's nice back in here. Come on, Star. Which way should we go? I think we're just going to go straight. Looks like a dead end. Mother little sidekick right there. I see water down here. Yep, Bigfoot's been here before us. This is an exercise day, so just out for getting some exercise and being in nature. Got a nice breeze today, about 75, maybe 77. It's really, really nice. I want to investigate this area a little bit. There's where the bipedal structure was made. Try and see if there's any more back here. This is kind of spooky back in here. All this just laying down in different areas. Sun poking through the trees. Let's see where this goes, Star. The air seems like it's in pockets today. It's nice and cool and breezy as it was back there. It's very warm and humid right where we're at right now.